So, who is the job?
The target is Dr. Mel Insanopath, mad scientist specializing in world domination. You can acquire him at his secret mansion hideout lair.
Chinese food. This place is weird. Huh?
Well, well, you found me.
Ah, tits.
You can't stop me. You're just a robot. I am a cyborg. The best of both worlds. Suck laser.
Damn it!
You're just a stupid robot. Now, I'll kill you.
Lasers.
I'm really going to enjoy this.
I wish he had a weakness.
The human emotion is overwhelming.
Well, there it is. I am a robot, but it's cool to be a robot. You're a dick. Being a dick sucks.
Even if you destroy me, my work will live on in this laboratory.
Yeah, maybe.
Fell in love with a robot, and it was so hard. 'Cause robots, they don't feel anything at all. And this particular robot was so shiny, I couldn't take my eyes off of her. Hiney.